Hey everyone, it's Jeka. In this series, I have created video tutorials of the new Canva AI features, which we call the Magic Studio. So if you want to watch the other videos, you can just simply click the link in my bio. Another feature that will blow our mind is what we call the grab text. So dito sa grab text na to, even though nasa loob ng picture yung text, we can still edit that. So here's how we are going to do it. First is, maghanap tayo ng photo na may letter print. So ito, meron akong nakita. So what we're going to do is, para din siyang sa Magic Grab, wherein you just have to click the photo, and then edit photo, and then grab text. So hintayin lang natin si Canva na i-detect yung text dito sa image na to. And then there you go, na-detect ni Canva yung text dito sa image na to. So what we can do here is we can move the text. Let's say we want to put dito sa mas mababa, we can resize that, we can move it. And then something that I like about this is we can change the text. So let's say we want to put this one. Ayan, pwede nating i-edit yung text. And then another thing is we can also change the font. We can also change the color. Ayan, so pwede natin yang palitan. So that's how we use the magic text. And then another, naghanap ako dito ng parang coffee shop, and then subukan natin yang i-edit using the grab text. And then let's just wait for Canva to process and detect yung text dito sa image na to. And then there you go, na-detect ni Canva na ito yung text na present dito sa photo na to. So let's say we want to change it into something like this. So pwede natin yang palitan. And then the same thing, katulad kanina, we can change it, the font style and the font color and also the font size. So that's how we use the magic text.